Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly timeframes for Ethereum Classic. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. We can plot in our key swing high right here on the monthly chart, as it is obvious to spot and we're seeing multiple reactions to the level. Now we can also plot in a zone right here. Where we see price acting as resistance and we see it acting as support, which is obvious to spot here on the monthly. Now we can also plot in our monthly swing low. As we see, this is the lowest point price has reached before reversing drastically. So let's go ahead and hop to the weekly so we can see more price action. Now here on the weekly, we can plot in our swing high here. And we notice a key level right here. Price acted as support, and we see the level acting as resistance. So, these are all of our key levels plotted on the monthly and weekly time frame. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.